Soskular nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sambut Menteri Rangba Akajilla Uba Preston Densong ha bakran chekila pathai kubor ha ka arpun rotrik unailur araja abusan ula pentip baka Sorkar kalarai ban Thung da Nodal Ophisar ban kmi halor kajeng penteri kam ya ka Soskular yasuk bat kiken hon bala penduk pendam ka Aceh National Volunteer Council bat Anvc-B balaya soi house nam araja khadsau habakran chekila pathai kubor Uba Preston ula pentip baha kajeng ilang layakran halor kamat kabayadei bat ka tax settlement balai soi hapring ka Sorkar jilla bat kumjo ka Sorkar padeng shu habala penbet bat yathir halor kimat ulo ang baka Sorkar jilla kala pen urlong henry dangdon pat ki bampat la banshim ya karai kat baka parliament ka bakan thop ya ka raja sabha bat ka lok sabha kimpat ai ka jeng menjur ya ka 125th amendment jong ka riti sanchar ka India.
To inform to all of you that today the government has again called a meeting with all the members from Anvc and Anvc-B along with all the senior officers right from the Honorable Chief Secretary, DGP and the senior officers of different departments. And the meeting today is relating to the tax settlement signed between the Anvc, state government as well as central government way back in 2014. So we discussed clause by clause, line by line of those issues flagged off in the text agreement, and mostly I would say the agreement made was already made or already completed, but of course some of them which is on the way, which is yet to reach up to the full text of the agreement, and some of them we cannot take any decision unless the 125th amendment in the Constitution of India is passed by the Parliament, both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So those issues we could not discuss much. But all small issues, as I said to you, be it the packages provided to the surrenderies, to the members of the Anvc and Anvc-B, that has been also completed. And now, briefly, I would like to just tell you that few issues like the subject of developmental activities, like construction of road and then improvement and preservation of forest, and even in arts and culture department we have so many projects in the form of auditorium, in the form of library, in the form of cultural centers. We have discussed all these issues, and as I said to you, at least not less than 50 to 60% of this aspiration of this very text is already met. Even the members of the Anvc and Anvc-B, still of course few areas they are still not satisfied, but in the meeting today we have decided that we will closely monitor, we will closely see that those subjects signed and mentioned in the tax settlement has to be fully complied by the state government. So today, as I said to you, the members of the Anvc, now they requested the government to have one dedicated nodal officer, because see all the way they have to come down to Shillong. Even if you have so many meetings it seems it's difficult for them to make things easier, to make things simpler in achieving this agreement, this tax agreement. So we have decided from the government side that we will appoint one dedicated officer in the name of Nodal officer who will coordinate between the members of the Anvc and the state government, and also with the different department, be it with the district council or be it with the different department located in Garo Hills. This will be taken care of by the nodal officer, and they are so happy because this decision has been taken, and we are going to notify one nodal officer under the supervision of the commissioner, development commissioner in the state of Meghalaya. So these are the issues where we discussed today with the members of this tax settlement.
Saying that the government has not called the meeting.
Well, yes, of course. That's what I'm saying. They are so happy. The meeting we had today, it's very, very constructive. And for that, you can also ask them. They will tell you exactly what was the meeting went off.
But what was the reason for the delay in meeting them?
Sorry?
What was the reason for the delay in meeting
No,
them?
you see, because there are three levels meeting. First is the level from the government of India, MHA, headed by the joint secretary, and then number two is state government, and then the state government always headed by chief minister, and next is third is district council meeting again. From this council, it comes to the state, and from the state, it goes to the Ministry of Home Affairs. So we have 3 layers meeting. So you understand, sometimes it gets delayed, maybe from the ministry itself, from the central government itself, because it depends on the convenience of the joint secretary or the officers authorized by the Ministry of Home Affairs. So that's why, way back in 2021, I think the last meeting had was 2021 with the joint secretary of the government of India.
So their cadres are all intact, or are there any cases of regrouping?
No, they do no such regrouping. As far as packages is concerned, we have already complied and we have already cleared whatever entitlement that they are supposed to get.
Who is the nodal officer to head it?
That's what I'm saying. We are going to notify. Then you will know.
Read about in 2014 whether all these whatever benefits were supposed to be given to them, whether all these were given in last 11 years.
Yes, all were cleared. All were cleared.
What about the dropping of criminal and heinous cases?
Yeah, that also the ongoing process. I think out of 100, if I'm not mistaken, 122 or 23, I think it's about around 60 to 62 numbers has been cleared, and then there is, as you know, because the court takes its own course of action, so the rest will also be cleared in due course of time.
Do you
So in
feel
terms of financial disbursement, how much has the state?
That I don't have, because the detail was already flagged off, I think, long time back. You knew it. So each, in fact, each member, they're supposed to get 1,50,000 that time. Okay, 1,50,000, and that has been done. That has been cleared. Again, for 6 months, they need to get each of them 3,500. That also has been cleared.
do you feel that the text agreement has helped in bringing everlasting peace in Garo Hills?
Well, because see, I think that tax agreement is more or less 95% is development. Okay, it is development. So with development, I am very sure, this kind of thinking will no longer be there.
So how many members of this disbanded Anvc and Anvc?
Sorry?
How many members are there of this?
Altogether, Anvc and Anvc-B is about 500 something. Like I think you must be having those numbers. It's already there long time.
No, presently how many members?
No, presently it means the same one only. Because this is only the meeting. So the detail, the numbers was already there at that point of time. So that numbers does not increase. The same numbers only.
I mean, some may have died in the last.
Sorry?
Some may have passed away in the last 10, 12.
Any update on
Yeah, that was, some of them may have passed away.
Yeah.
Of course.
And nobody tried amongst these surrenderers, nobody tried to take this criminal way of extortion
No.
or any sign.
No question of that. There's no question. That too, it lies with the government of India as well as in the parliament. Because they have already introduced in the Rajya Sabha. I think I've already explained in the House. They have already introduced in the Rajya Sabha. And then the Rajya Sabha has already referred to the parliamentary standing committee. And then recently, I think the standing parliamentary standing committee has already recommended to the Ministry of Home Affairs. So now it's lying there. So let us see, and we will again pursue aggressively that the amendment should be passed by the parliament.
In this package, this comes from the central, is the state fund.
Sorry?
The package
What is it?
for the package for development.
whether it is coming from the center or the state?
Which one?
The development package.
No, development package is with the state. Yes, partly it will come from the central government, and then partly will be from state fund only. 40% left means we have hurdle because until unless the amendment is passed, because it links to the Constitution of India. See, like the subject. If you talk about the subject, means amendment has to be there. These are the subject. In addition to whatever sixth schedule is being followed, again we need additional subject for this council. So therefore, this has to be amended in the parliament.
But financial, everything is clear
Yes.
to all the members.
Yes, already.
So it is always connected to the district council, the improvement of district council.
Yes.
Has it helped in improving the district councils?
That's what we discuss a lot about the district council thing, because see again, the settlement, the tax agreement says that yes, government should further strengthen the district council, and this council should again have more responsibility in preserving the tribal people, the Garo people, and then the residents of Garo Hills in general, and not only that, even the functions of this council should be further strengthened. These are the issues. That's what it links to the amendment of the Constitution. So a number of these issues, once the amendment is made, then only we will be able to further proceed forward in meeting all those aspirations as per the reflected settlement.
So whether the state government at your level will once again hold meeting, or is it everything was finalized?
No, not at all. Because this is a very long process. So I already told them also that we agreed that at least quarterly we will have this meeting. If need be, we will have maybe quarterly if need be. Because now let us wait and let us see first. Because we never appointed a specific nodal officer. But this time I told you we are going to engage one nodal officer to deal with this text agreement point by point and then clause by clause, and what are the issues, whether it is with the department A or B or C, or whether it is with this council, all those issues will be taken care of by the nodal officer, who will meet the members regularly, stationed in Tura.
Sir, whether it will be any IS officer or MCS officer, is there any criteria for that?
That you leave it to the government. As I said to you, once notification comes out, you will be able to know.
By when this notification likely to come out?
Very soon, very soon.